Read, play, and learn with Dentist Bird. Based on how Plover Bird came to clean crocodile's teeth. A West African folktale. Retold by Michael Richards. Illustrated by David Woloba. At the end of the path, Turtle met Plover Bird. She had been quiet ever since all this crocodile business started.
Turtle, you never asked me if I knew how to fix sore teeth. The truth is, I do. I have watched village women make medicine for a long time. Tell you what, I will start preparing the medicine for crocodile right now.